Today I will talk about how can you disable weekly notifications on your Reverso contacts app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just go down here, you click here on settings. When just click here on settings, it's going to take you to next here. Then all you have to do, you just go down here, come here to weekly notifications, just click in this sign or this color here. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean weekly notifications, it's disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you a great, that's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.